In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Grammarly not working in Chrome. Simple tutorial. 5 minutes. If Grammarly has suddenly stopped checking your writing in Chrome, don't worry. We'll walk through a quick, reliable check to get it working again. You won't need to reinstall anything or dig into advanced settings. Just confirm the essentials inside Chrome's built-in extension controls. Start by opening Google Chrome and going to the Extensions menu. You'll find it at the top right of your browser window as a small puzzle piece icon. Click that to open the Extensions panel. This is where Chrome lists everything you've installed and lets you manage what's currently active. Next, locate Grammarly in that list. If you have many extensions, use the small search field in the Extensions page or look for the familiar green G icon in the Grammarly name. Spotting it here confirms that Grammarly is properly installed and available to Chrome. Once you found it, make sure Grammarly is enabled. On the Extensions Management page, each extension has a switch. If the switch for Grammarly is off, Chrome will prevent it from running on any site. Click the switch to turn it on. It should change color to indicate it's active. After enabling it, return to the page where you're writing and refresh the tab so Grammarly can load into that page. A quick refresh is often all it takes for the checks to start appearing again. To make Grammarly easier to access and monitor, pin it to your Chrome toolbar. Click the puzzle piece icon again to open the Extensions panel. Find Grammarly in that small list and click the pin icon next to it. When pinned, the Grammarly icon appears to the right of the address bar, so you can see at a glance whether it's available on the current page. This also gives you one-click access to its menu to double-check status or open settings without hunting through menus. When you're done, test it on a website with a text box, such as a blank document or a message field. Type a few words and look for underlines or suggestions. If you see the Grammarly icon in the toolbar, it's enabled. If suggestions still aren't showing, refresh the page once more to let the extension hook in cleanly. That's it. By going to the Extensions menu, locating Grammarly, enabling it, and pinning it for quick access, you'll usually resolve the issue in just a couple of minutes. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back to clean, confident writing in Chrome.